Hey there everyone, today I want to show you how to connect your Expresso S3 bike to the internet. There are three ways to connect. The first and most reliable way is always going to be to hardwire your bike to the internet with an Ethernet cable that plugs right back into the back of the bike down here. Plug the other end into the live internet port somewhere and you're good to go. The second way is with the Expresso router. If you probably got one of these with your bike, if you didn't, you can get them from championfitness.com. The bikes are pre-configured to look for the network that this creates. So essentially, if you plug this into the internet and turn it on, then the bike will recognize it. But the last thing I want to show you today is how to connect to a network that you may have already available to you. So I'll take you through those steps now. Just before I do this, before I show you everything on the bike here, I do want to mention that the bike will look for G-band networks, and the network name and password can be no longer than 13 characters, and it has to have no special characters. But if you're in that situation, then here's how you're going to go ahead and connect to your own network. Go ahead and on the main screen here, press the menu button and then select manual mode and press OK. And once you're on this screen, you're going to go ahead and punch in the number on the number key 7913. This will get you into the configuration menu, and this is where you're going to set up the bike to look for your network. Go ahead and go down to use network and then wireless connection. And here you can go ahead and keyboard in based on the arrow keys and your network name and your network password. Remember, it's going to be case sensitive, and you got to make sure you do it right the first time. And the way you're going to do that is you'll use the arrow keys to navigate around the keyboard. If you need to go to lowercase, then you can use this up and down arrow right here. That'll get you into lowercase, and there are a small number of supported special characters that you can get to one level lower. Go ahead and punch in your code, and then once you're done with that, with your network name, you'll use this volume down arrow to go to your password, and then you'll do the same thing here with your password. Punch in your password there, and then once you're done, you'll just go over to accept right here. You'll hit OK, and you'll likely see the system reboot. All right, we're back. So I've set my network up to connect to the one that we have here in the office, and there's a couple ways you can test this. The first and easiest way is just try and sign in with your Expresso ID. And as long as you get the connection here and you see your stats, then you're good to go. If for whatever reason that's not working, you can go back into manual mode. Press 7913 again to enter the configuration menu, and then go to use network and ping Expresso server, and then go ahead and press the connection there, and as long as you see success here in both of these spots, then you should be good to go. All right, thanks.